This shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Alright, you're not getting like what we're seeing in this video just because like seriously it's not gonna capture what we're seeing, but
can't imagine.
the Obama motorcade just pulled up. Yeah, things are going very well at this point.
Very well?
They're going very well. There's still a shit ton of people down on Michigan Avenue waiting to get into, I have no idea what, because that shit is full. I mean, that's just all people right there.
To be President Obama.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No more Bush. That's the most exciting part.
Right? Chicago, Illinois. The site of, I mean, the whole nation right now is looking at us. This is it, right in front of us, right here. We've got a bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. So YouTube, get ready.